Hi, my name's John Strickland and I'm doing a review on the X-Force Pile Driver Crossbow. I just received the crossbow a few days ago and I have nothing but good things to say about it. It came in the $380 price range, and I can tell you that this entire crossbow, everything about it, the way it's made, the materials and everything, puts it up there in the class with the $1,000 crossbow packages. So you don't need to buy a $1,000 crossbow, at least not anymore, to have that type of experience. I'll start with how the head looks. It comes with its own silencers built into the string. It also has these two rubber stops. As you can see, I put lube on my rail. Something different about this bow is it has an actual safety like a gun. And you can see here, that's to fire, and that's on safety. That's not like your typical crossbow to where it will only fire if a bolt is shoved in between here and all the way back into the trigger mechanism. Okay, some of the better features of it: it's lightweight. It weighs 7.2 pounds. It feels like it weighs about 8 or 9, but it only weighs 7.2 pounds. It just depends on how strong you are and stuff like that. I personally adjusted my backstop from the back all the way to the front, and then I took the scope on this Picatinny rail all the way to the front, and that balanced it out for me personally, but you can adjust it to however you want to do it. It comes with the tools. It's a simple Allen wrench here and an Allen wrench here, and the same way with taking the scope and actually moving it backwards. So what are some of the things that makes it so great? This thing shoots at 390 feet per second. It has a handle on the bottom of it for you when you're shooting it that keeps your thumbs and your fingers far away from the string that comes through here. Now, it's an all-inclusive package. So what do I mean by an all-inclusive package? I mean you don't have to buy anything. It comes with rail lube, a lens cleaner, your tools. It also comes with a hand crank. The hand crank is very simple to operate. There's a little X or a plus right there in the handle, so it doesn't stay permanently mounted. It just goes in like so. Then you have your two strings. Now I can't do this holding the camera, but it's very easy to figure out. You press the blue forward and then tug on the strings, drag them all the way down to right here, lock it on, and then there's a handle that goes on either side, so it's ambidextrous on the reel. Now, if you're worried about cranking and it coming back, flying back on you or coming back unspooled, it actually locks every time it cranks, so it's not going to do that. And it's very easy to crank. It comes right back, you hear it lock in, and then you just unlock it. Take this off and put it in your carrier, your backpack, whatever you want to do. And again, like I said, the material on this bow is all heavy duty. It shoots a special arrow. It shoots the Carbon Express 390. Also, again, this comes with it. Everything that I've shown you comes with this bow. There's also a manual cocking rope. Now, this is my first review video, not professional. I understand that. I hope to get that changed. But the name of this bow is called the Pile Driver Carbon Express. And I like the name because it actually goes with the bow. And what I mean by that is when you shoot, it pile drives that arrow into whatever it's going into, or bolt, in the case of it being a crossbow. You can get this in a 3 red dots. I actually chose the regular scope, like a rifle scope or a shotgun scope. And if you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave a comment below, leave a like, and I'll answer them as much as I possibly can. Thank you.